Hi, my name is Jackee Holder and I am here with James Farrell, and we are in an urban setting in Croydon, at the edges of South London, and we are in Lloyd Park. And it's a really sunny day here in Lloyd Park. We've had a wonderful walk around and we've been thinking about our workshop that we are going to be running. Do you want to tell people what that's all about, James?
Yeah, so we're doing a workshop at the Henley at the Nature Connected Live, and it's about urban coaching. So it's what happens when you work with clients in towns and cities, and what's different about that from the kind of coaching that you might normally do, maybe on a screen on Zoom or maybe in the countryside. And so a bit of a different topic for Henley, which is in the countryside.
And we're both really passionate about urban coaching because, first of all, I grew up in this part of South London and I've been very passionate about walking the streets of South London. And I realised that this could be also something where our clients could get a lot from really engaging with nature in our urban cities and towns, because sometimes we believe that we have to leave the cities to be connected to nature. But James and I are going to share with the wonderful people attending our workshops on how you can do coaching in the towns and cities and spaces that you live and your clients live as well.
Great, so we'll see you hopefully in June at Henley.
See you.